Now, amidst all this, here is the real shocker. The Karnataka government has been claiming that it has arranged ample hospital beds for COVID-19 patients in Bengaluru. This claim was made on a News Today program 3 days ago. To find out the reality, our team, led by our correspondent Nolan Pinto, visited 4 hospitals in the city to see if a bed could be made available for a patient whose COVID-19 report we said was awaited. This is what he found on the ground. Take a look.
Towards the end of June, a man in his early 50s allegedly died due to lack of hospital beds and ICUs in Bengaluru. The patient had visited 18 hospitals in the city but failed to find a single bed. That's when Bengaluru came face to face with the harsh truth. It was losing ground in the war on corona. The Karnataka government had then claimed to have increased the number of beds in private hospitals as well as private medical colleges. Has the situation changed on the ground? India Today TV did a reality check. We went to many prominent hospitals in the city seeking a bed for a supposed patient whose COVID-19 test report was awaited but required admission due to breathlessness.
She is very sick. At present, St. John's has 15 ICU positive beds.
Okay.
15 positive ICU beds are full. So if she requires oxygen, ventilatory support and all, at present there is no beds. One patient has to move from ICU to outside, then only we'll get the bed for her. Till that time we'll not.
Because I'm looking at the result yesterday afternoon. Everyone said 3-4 days. But what happens to the condition? I mean, what happens?
Yeah, you see, breathlessness, you're telling people, she's having already a breathing problem, it may worsen. It may increase, it may decrease, it may increase definitely. So she should get admitted. Where is she now?
Home.
See, come here. So this is the government dedicated hospitals list. So you can take the picture of this, you can contact the hospital for the bed and you can ship the patient there.
Yeah. So as of now we can't do it.
So we are staying in Baswangudi.
Yeah.
That's why.
So
Anyway, sir, at present getting a bed, oxygen bed in Bangalore is very difficult.
the government is saying there are enough beds and so on.
See, we are admitting the patient in the ward, taking the signature. There is no ventilator, there is no ICU. If patient dies in the ward, we are not responsible. Patients are attendants are signing for that because they are roaming 10-15 hospitals.
At the Manipal hospital, we were not allowed to enter the main building but directed to the fever clinic behind the hospital.
Can we get my over here because we have done the test yesterday, but there is no bed. We've come already from another hospital. No bed. Come over here. What can be done? No report from our positive? No, we're waiting for the report, but symptoms are there. She's has breathing trouble.
They require admission, right?
If there is...
Yes. So, that's the problem. There is no isolation bed as of now. No, zero.
When, what? Should I call in the evening? I mean, will there be anything?
No, I can't able to assure.
The better thing is to bring her here. You will just see them.
No.
Not even seeker.
No, because there is no bed.
No bed.
Going in the scene. They require admission because he's having a little difficulty. So,
Okay.
try other hospitals.
Yeah.
You can call up and ask them.
I'll do that. I'll call in the evening and see if there is something. But they only want to like this. I understand the 4 hospitals. Everyone says it's
No problem. I guess you have to go to the 6th hospital now because we don't have any isolation beds. My sincere apologies. This is very unfortunate things happening. But we have to say no because we don't have any isolation beds.
But the government is saying this much.
60 patients are admitted here already. We don't have beds are full right now. Isolation beds are full.
The government of Karnataka has ordered that private medical establishments cannot deny, refuse or avoid treatment to patients with COVID-19 or COVID-19 like symptoms.
जो कुछ भी प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स एडमिट नहीं कराएंगे वो लोग को हम क्रिमिनल केस डालेंगे क्रिमिनल केस डाल को वो क्या फॉर्मेलिटी है वो फॉर्मेलिटी करेंगे
After elaborate discussions, we have agreed in toto to allocate about 3,000 beds across Bangalore in the private hospitals which have more than 50 beds.
Bottom line everywhere remains the same. You have to cut through a slew of questions and formalities, and even then, finding a bed is an ordeal in itself. With Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, this is India Today's Special Investigation Team.
And responding to our investigation, the Manipal Hospital Group has clarified we never say no to any patients. During the pandemic, we have to keep other patients' safety in mind and have to work as per prescribed guidelines, have accommodated patients on need basis. When capacity is full, it becomes challenging, is what they have to say in response.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.